This is your step-by-step guide to pricing a vending machine. Low, the InReach Boston way. InReach Boston Vending, powered by people who care.
Naughty. This is unacceptable. Put it back.
Hello, welcome to our tutorial. GMG, in the building. Yeah? Alright, Tex. We will learn how to price a Crane 1 87 snack machine. The process is pretty straightforward. Let's begin. Observe the machine. Make sure no one is shaking the machine like we saw at the start here. Open up your machine. It will prompt you to enter a password. The password is 3333. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. On the screen here, unfortunately, as text, we see this too often. Low coin or empty tube can cause issues. If a customer uses cash, the machine will not vend because it's unable to issue change. Report this immediately to your supervisor. Push the home icon to see full menu. In the second row, you will see price. Push it. You're doing great. We are almost across the finish line. After this, let's grab us some chitlins. Yummy. You have several options here. You can price the entire machine, individual coils, or each tray. When you enter a price, be sure to push OK so the price is updated. Once you price the entire machine, close and lock the vending machine. Push all selections to ensure the prices are all set. Let us recap. Observe the machine. Open the machine. Enter password 3333. Push home icon. Push price icon. Price machine. Close and lock machine. And say it with me. Verify all selections are priced.
InReach, we are on the move. Get your tech on.
Training produced by InReach Boston, made possible by RB Videos. Thanks for watching our training video.